We are going to blow through from start to finish an edit of a transcript segment. First thing that you got to note too is that we're going to do this practice on the actual computer in NHS Tech Local. Inside of the camp folder, inside of here is going to be our folders. Typically it would be in the actual camp over here, but we're going to do it on local inside of camp right here. First thing we're going to do is make sure anything that we're not using is closed. For instance, Photoshop is going to hog some resources on the computer. I'm going to right click, hold the Option key on the keyboard, and force quit. I can do that a couple of times and then the dot will go away. That's going to make Premiere Pro go faster. Once we have that, we're going to go to New Project in Premiere. We're going to name it. So Special Report. This is Northampton Open Media Support. And the second very important thing is we're going to change and choose location and go to our project files folder. The Premiere Pro project saves in the project files folder. When you do that, it also creates the auto saves right next to it. We can hit create. That is going to open Premiere Pro. And after we do that, we can go to the edit tab up here. We have a couple of ways we can import. We can do Command-I on the keyboard, or we can go to File, Import. And this is a little trick. If you click right here, the last place it was, this is going to show you all the root folders from there. So right here, I'm going to click Special Report. You can also get there from going over on the left sidebar. I'm going to take Video and Media. The media has some B-roll here. Video has the mono, interviews, and some B-roll that I shot. Don't bring in your project files. That's going to screw things up. So just the media that you're going to use, hit import. The first thing we're going to do is look at the mono. So mono intro. We're going to go through here, left click and scrub through. That's how you can do it. You can press space bar right here as well. J is rewind. L is fast forward, and you can do it multiple times. Also, left and right arrow keys are moved one frame at a time. I'm going to find where the actual start is.
On Tuesday.
Right here, I'm going to press the I key. Once I press the I key, it highlights right here. I'm actually going to watch it.
On Tuesday,
I'm going to play it at ×2 speed.
In exchange for using public land, Comcast gives a percentage of its revenue to the city of Northampton. In the past, money has gone to Northampton Open Media, our community media center, and public access TV station. The continued funding is essential for its survival.
So right here, this is why you have to watch it. So there's more to this, but I'm going to press the O key, take this, drag it into my timeline sequence. This is actually going to be the thing that is our finished video. There's more to this outro, so I got to watch this and make sure that it is something that we actually need. So I-O, left arrow, I key to set my import.
Open Media also supports the high school's video and media department, including the transcript. I know I'm asking the community to share support by attending the meeting in person or submitting written comments. Participants explain why I know is supporting, share personal stories, and requested specific contact items like proper funding and HD programming. We spoke with people involved in the program.
L to fast forward, and I'm going to take I'm going to go back a little bit.
To learn more.
And left click and drag. That is my mono. I'm going to do that with my interviews as well. So go here. I'm going to take Jane, for instance.
And amazing resource.
Watch it. So Northampton Open Media. I.
And all the tech classes at NHS, they provide us with camera equipment, or editing software, computers, access to the studio space, and just in general, a lot of support and equipment that we wouldn't have access to or funding for otherwise.
Okay. Drag that down. So you see what we're building out this way. Minus sign is zoom out. I'm also going to take B-roll. So I want you to do this with Jeremy as me as well. So take one of the things, put it here. B-roll. So B-roll comes in groups of 4. I'm going to go to my media folder and I'm going to see this wide shot. It's 3 to 5 clips for 3 to 5 seconds. I'm going to press I, press spacebar 1, 2, 3, press the O key, and I'm going to drag video only onto video track number 2 right here. I'm going to do the same thing for this one. I, 1, 2, 3. drag video only. Do it again. 1, 2, 3.
That's like that friend.
And one more time.
Oh no, it's the same thing.
Go over here. 1, 2, 3.
I was in approximately
IO and drag in. So now we have our B-roll.
the transcript. NOM asked the community to show support by attending the
Right
meeting
there.
in person or
So now that I have that, we're going to add a lower third in here. I'm going to go to graphic templates, and from graphic templates, I'm going to go to boxed. If you don't have boxed, there's a tutorial on how to install these. I'm going to take boxed 18 right here and drag in. That's going to bring my boxed graphic in. I'm going to be able to hover over it right here, double click it, go to effects controls, and bring that size to about 65. Left click and drag on this, and then left click and drag to the right on this and bring this into the corner. I'm going to change this, what it says, senior news producer, and always make sure that you are looking at the actual spelling of these. Triple check. We've spelled names wrong, people get upset. Second part of this is that we're going to copy this, Command C, and we're going to Command V and paste it, right click, go to speed duration and reverse speed of this. Now it comes in and out. So only do that copy and paste after you create it with this stuff right here. Let's go into play. Come out. You're going to get your outro. Set your in point and out point on your outro. Drag that in. So now we built out this with our B-roll, our lower thirds, and everything right here. Now it's time to export. We're going to go to File, Export, Media. We're going to make sure that the name is correct right here. We're going to go Special Report, NOM Support, the same exact thing as the folder. We're going to click on the blue link right here and navigate to the finished videos folder. Right here, finished video, hit save. Watch this right here, make sure that it's all here. Sometimes this gets set to source in and out and stuff. It should be entire source with nothing there. Make sure that it all looks good. Before you actually export, there should be a person on leadership watching this, okay? So have them watch it, make sure that everything's good, and then hit export. You're going to take that, you're going to upload that to Google Drive, and you're also going to upload that to YouTube.